Wanna come out there with you?
I've collected so much stuff over the past few years that I finally decided to have my very first yard sale. I will say the preparation process was a bit hectic, but we got it done, and overall I had a great experience. Okay, so I just dropped off a deposit at the bank from my yard sale, and now I'm headed to my local Goodwill to drop off any of the remaining items that wasn't sold, because I do not want to bring this back in my house. So I just got to Goodwill, and unfortunately they're not taking donations today, but I peeped inside and I found this really cool chair that I'm going to DIY. So now I just have to make room for this chair, which is great. So I want to build a wood canopy to go over top of my picnics for my luxury picnic business, Shore Picnics. I'll leave that Instagram account down below if you want to check it out and follow to support. Well, these are only one size. So it's not perfect, but we figured it out, and I have received my weights in the mail. I'm going to do an unboxing of that shortly for the legs. That way it will be nice and secure and the wind will not blow it over. It's not every day. Hey, now that I'm back home, I think I'm going to make a little quick dessert, some vegan sweet potato oats cookies. Here are some of the ingredients. So I'll also pin the recipe that I'm going by from Pinterest as well. All right, I just popped these out of the oven and they look so good. They smell amazing. I just had to let them sit for 20 minutes to rest, and I'm going to try the first bite now. So good. I want this. Like a lot of these for the picnics, but it's $60 just for that.
Nice.
Yeah.
See why it's that much?
I would love one of these for my desk. Just a classic. Even yours, right? Oh God. Never mind. Well, look at this desk.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, it's $100 on clearance.
It has what's in the back of it?
What is that?
Plug-in.
I would love to replace my desk in my bedroom with this. You ready? So I am exposing myself right now. My bedroom is in shambles. I'm not even going to show you the rest of it. I am looking to get a new mattress. And I am preparing for a little, room makeover, a little update. And these walls literally just went through so much. Lots of peeling paint that I had to patch up, and sand, prime. This is my situation right now because I have a new mattress and I cannot wait to show you guys my new mattress. That's gonna be in another video. He's just having a ball with this. Like, Cleo. seamlessly blend this in. That way, got a seamless look. Using Valspar paint. Lowe's quality. My packages have arrived. I'm so excited to open these. There's my mattress, and these I believe are my weights for my Canopy. I'm gonna unbox the Canopy weights right now. So these are the sacks that I'll be putting sand in to give weight to my Canopy to prevent it from tipping over, and hopefully I'll be able to wrap these around the legs. I'll insert a clip of what that should look like. I also purchased a 9x12 tarp to go underneath of my rugs and blankets for the picnics. That way they don't get wet or damaged, and I can keep my supply a lot longer protected with this tarp. So yeah, I'm very excited to finally get to use these items, and I will be sure to link these items in the description box from Amazon as well as the Pinterest recipe. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and remember to check out my previous video where you see how I DIY'd that Goodwill chair. Stay tuned for my bedroom makeover, and as always, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!